Hi, this is Jake Boyd here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. I want to showcase some of the features of this Heartland North Trail. It's a 27 RBDS. It's a couples cabin, and I want to walk you through some of the things that will make this a unique trailer for you. Let's head this way. So Heartland has magnetic slam locks. We have a true pass-through storage right here. Those things, let them go, slam shut. Don't have to think about it. You have your big slide out here, as well as getting to something that makes this a fun couples cabin. You have your wet bar with your slide out kind of prep table and plugs, as well as your hookups for any cable television you may want to watch on the road for tailgating. You have your big storage hitch here. We can put any extra batteries, any kind of bikes or whatnot you want to bring along with you on your trip. And then we follow back around. Yes, that is 2 slide outs. This is your super slide out, has your dinette and your convertible sofa right inside. This is the other side of the pass-through with that slam hitch. And from here, we're going to take you inside and show you what makes this unit special. All right, let's head inside. One of the things that makes this North Trail special, they have a solid step. Absolutely no movement on that step. Comes down, one easy movement. And once we step inside here, you're going to notice something pretty particular to this unit. You have an island. It really makes use of the space, and something that's even more special to it, it has central vacuuming. That's ridiculous. It's amazing. You have your bottom top freezer and fridge here, your 3-burner stove, your 15-inch oven, and your microwave. Heartland does something really well here. It makes a trailer feel really residential, has modern touches with the wood, cabinetry, and your countertops. And what this unit has is a lot of counter space. So we move from the counter space right next to your cooking station to the island to your enormous pantry. Lots and lots and lots of space here for hauling whatever you would like. You have your dedicated dinette with a movable table, your convertible couch, overhead storage on the couch. Not going to come up short on storage on this unit. With 2 slide outs, you get a lot of extra space livable space for that 31 feet. Now in the bathroom, we have here a true wardrobe, enormous wardrobe with hanging closet, and that goes all the way back. You have your solid glass corner shower. In the corner shower offers you a little more room to shower and move about inside, so you don't get cramped. Now let's go to the bedroom. If you walk through past the island, what we're looking at is a spin-around television station, which can be accessed from the bedroom. Pull the pin, which is on the front, and it is ready to go. So you have your television, your walk around queen, and your additional space for your wardrobe. And everything here is ready to go. And if you have any questions about this North Trail 27 RBDS, feel free to call me, Jake, at Guarantee RV in Junction City. The number is 773-655-7190. Thanks.